What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate it. Today's video is about how to select the right strike price when trading options and why it matters. Guys, I told you I'm going to slowly transition us into trading options, but I want to teach it to you in a way that we all win. On this channel, if you rock with me, everybody eats, and so that starts now. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $48,476.28. On the day, we're down a little bit, not too much to write home about right now at least. On the week, we are up just a little bit. Again, not much to write home about as well. If I take you guys out 1 month, we are up a little bit over 7%. If I take you guys out 3 months, we are up 14%, very close to 15%. If I take you guys out 1 year, although we haven't had this account 1 year, we are up over 16.5%. And if we go out all time, guys, again, we're up 16.5%. Hey, if you're new here, I started this account in January with $0. I show you guys each and every day how to properly build your portfolio. Today, guys, it's all about options as well as the strike price. So let's hop right into it. For this one, guys, I need you to tap in. Make sure you get your pen and paper out. Make sure you're taking notes. And if you can, open up your brokerage account and follow along, man. I want to make sure everybody eats, and I'm going to show you how everybody can eat. I'm going to make some of you guys millionaires, and I'm going to make a lot of you guys thousandaires. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, we're going to do Helion on this one. We're picking this one because if you follow me on the channel, you already know the stocks that I talked to you guys about. I put you on them way in advance. I tell you what prices to get them. All of that is going to come into play today. Right now, it's currently sitting at $26.32. It opened at $26.71. Pay attention to these numbers. The high so far is $27.28, and the low is $25.81. You will see why that matters in just a moment. Guys, we're going to hit trade, and then we're going to hit trade options, okay? And you guys will see in just a moment why I have you buy a minimum of 125 shares, okay? Today is all about the strike price and why it matters, okay? So I want to show you guys something. For those of you that have your 125 shares, and for those of you that just got done studying the price fluctuation for this stock on today, okay? We are going to sell a call, okay? So hit sell, hit call. I love to trade within a week. However, I'm okay trading a month out. So if we trade within a week and we go with a $30 strike price, because the stock is currently sitting at $26.32, when we hit this, if we buy 1 contract, that can make us a quick $15. But I want to show you something a little more exciting than that, okay? I want to show you guys how the real money is made. I'm going to teach you guys this with Helion. I'm going to teach you guys this with Workhorse. And I'm going to teach you guys this with Tesla, okay? As well as some other stocks, so that you guys can get in the habit of getting some huge wins. You already see how this stock trades, right? I have no doubt in my mind that at some point it will hit $30. I just know for the longest time it's been trading sideways, and as a result, again, $30 would be a strike price that we can get behind, or $35 if we want to play it a little safer. However, for the sake of showing you guys how to hit a few home runs, how to grow your account in a safe way, I want to show you this today. Again, selling a call for the September 18th expiration date. Check this out. If we buy 1 contract, the premium on this is $275. That is what you will get right away, okay? Again, the likelihood that it hit $30 is very slim. However, if it does, we'll just own 100 more shares of Helion, okay? For those of you that have more than 100 shares, you guys can do this. Let's say you have over 200 shares of Helion right now. Just like this, guys, you can make $550, okay, as part of your premium. Again, we don't care if it hits $30 because we've already established on this channel that we like this stock for the long haul, okay? And so for us, that works in our favor. If it doesn't hit this price, we just made $550. If it does, we just get more shares of a stock we already love, okay? So again, guys, we're gonna do this with Workhorse, and I'm gonna take you guys down through there on how to keep rinse and repeating this over and over when you know how the stock moves, where it will go to and where it won't go to in the short term. And so the reason why we have 125 shares minimum is because as we transition to options, we are already in position to place calls on each and every one of these stocks and continue to make money off a stock that we already like, okay? And so guys, that's just a quick nugget for today. I don't want to overwhelm you with a whole bunch of complexities. I'm going to keep this short and sweet to make sure that you guys eat. Next up, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is loss aversion. Loss aversion happens when fear of a potential loss is greater than the enjoyment from a gain. Okay, some of you guys, I see this all the time, and as newbies, it's very normal to be like this, okay? Sometimes you might sell a stock the minute you see it go down. That means you loss averse, okay? That means that the joy of it going back up, you guys are more scared of it going down, and so you'll sell. One of you guys did that with Tesla the other day, and then it went right back up, and then I heard you say, man, I wish I wouldn't have touched it. Again, guys, the stock market is a volatile game. It will go up and down. Your job is to stay cool, calm, and collected, okay? The more that you can do that, the more that you will be able to ride the waves, and you will see, like I teach you guys, the stock market always goes up. You don't have to worry about a temporary pullback, drop. We don't even look at the stock market every single day because we don't care what it do from a day-to-day standpoint. We are concerned what it does 1 year out, 3 years out, 5 years out. The sooner you guys embrace that, the less anxious you'll be, and you'll see, man, my money is really growing if I just fall back and put my feet up, okay? So listen, guys, loss aversion is a very normal thing that a lot of new investors deal with. However, again, over time, as you get more comfortable, as you get used to the fluctuation of the stocks that you own and that you see, yep, it's gonna go down, but like Chris said, if it go down, it's just a sell. It's gonna go right back up, and I'm gonna make a profit. You guys will begin to see that, hey, this is just part of the everyday cycle of the stock market. Nothing I need to freak out about. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Talon C. He says, do you think it would be smart to sell my Workhorse and Neo stocks and throw it into Apple? I still have my Helion stock, just want a big boy stock in my portfolio. Hey, this is a great comment. This is a great question, man. And I thank you for sending this in, because I know a lot of people have this question. Guys, let me tell you this. It is never a bad idea to sell from a good stock to a great stock. Apple just hit $2 trillion. That should tell you all you need to know that it's dominating in the game. So if you have Workhorse or Neo or Helion or whatever else we don't talk about on the channel, and you have your minimum 125 shares, it's absolutely okay for you to peel some of those off, take some of those profits and put it into a stock like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, or Facebook, okay? Those are gonna be your proven winners in this day and age, okay? So again, I'm gonna always encourage you to have those as part of your portfolio. But listen, guys, this is a great question. This is an okay thing to do. So don't hesitate to review your portfolio, see what's lagging behind, see what's not really moving, get out of those positions or lower your position, and then put it in a proven winner. So T, I thank you for the question. Listen, guys, if you have questions, make sure you leave them in my comments below. I'll grab them and add them in my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.